Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to switch the left and the right analog sticks on your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So this is actually really easy to do. Let's say you want to go ahead and change your right thumbstick over to your left thumbstick and have that be your movement or your aim. Well, if you are on the home screen and you go up to the top to settings and select this, and then go on down to accessibility options, the second one down, then go to controllers and go to custom button assignments. Change controller button assignments. This doesn't work with some controllers. So once we select this, we can go to the bottom here where it says switch the left and right analog sticks. So once I do this, my right thumbstick will now be my left. So in Call of Duty, you do most of the aiming with your right thumbstick. Most first-person shooters, it's that way. So this will now be on your left thumbstick when you're looking around, and then you're doing the movement with your right thumbstick. So make sure you have this check marked on top so you can see the controller on the bottom, and then you should be good to go. So in case there's something wrong with the controller, maybe your movement isn't always that great, or let's say you have a sprinting glitch where you stop when you sprint, well, you can switch the buttons around and just see if that fixes your problem. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.